So what does washing dishes teach us about hyperinflation and personal survival? What we're seeing here is some of the containers that I got Chinese food from. And I like to reuse these to hold parts and to do different things in the workshop. And you can see here that the plastic is so thin and brittle on these that the lips are breaking off when you open them. So there's no possibility to reuse these or repurpose them whatsoever. And what that's showing us is how the cutbacks in the amount of plastic and the type of plastic is coming into the economy. And this is signaling a hyperinflation and a lack of materials and extreme cost savings. And what this does, in a way, for small businesses and home workshops and farm workshops, it eliminates a method of storage that used to be very cheap. And like I said, I use these quite a bit to store materials and to mix different things in. So just for your info, don't expect to be able to reuse this material anymore. And this is going to complicate your home production, clandestine production, and your workshop production. Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.